Hi guys! Welcome to another pack opening video. 95 exchange. Very big L. Now the UCL quest packs. These packs are so up and good. Second one. I grinded 20 VSA matches to open this. Another good pack. Now the 289 to 97 by 2 packs. Skipped because it is obviously all Jabber. Second one. Bad luck today. Now the 387 to 97 X3 packs. First one. Aya hates me LOL. Second one. Bro. So trash. Last one. Better but still useless. Now free MLS Ultra Pack. Bad, but at least I got fodder. Another one. Not expecting much. Wish me luck on this final pack. I hate this game.